Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today again I have for you some more dollar Christmas decor that I made, and they're mostly made out of Dollar Tree products and Target Dollar Spot products. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's get started. The first DIY. For the first project, I'm using this sign that came from Target Dollar Spot. It was $3, but I actually got it at dirt cheap. You can see by a tag, and I paid only 30 cents for it. So first I'm taking the tag off, and after I took it off, I am taking off this little plastic hanger thing on top. And next I'm taking this chalk paint by Waverly. It is in the color moss. I absolutely love this color for Christmas, and I am going to heavily distress it. Let's say it. I didn't want completely full coverage, but I on some places, especially in the middle, it was covered almost completely. When everything was dried, I am taking this Waverly chalk paint in a color truffle, and I will just go ahead and distress it around the edges and a little bit in the middle. I wanted to make it look old and rustic. When I was completely done with that part, I am taking this peel and stick stencil that came actually from Target Dollar Spot. It was $3. They had so many beautiful ones, and I chose this one. So first thing I'm going to do, I will take all these pieces out, and I will kind of align the middle one. So the mistletoe, I was guided by the lines on my background on the wood grain, and I am going to actually take another piece of this peel and stick paper to guide me as well. And then I am going to start from the middle. I'm gonna go then onwards with the words, with the letters. That's the easiest way to make sure you stay spaced out properly, and just that everything turned out aligned. That's actually the way I do it, and I found it that is the best way. After I was done with this word, I'm gonna go and add the next two words, or actually next few words as well. And this is how it turned out afterwards. It was so easy to attach, and it stays on very well. Next, what I did, I took these two color felts that I had on hand, and I kind of cut out these shapes. I wanted to create a mistletoe. Now, I don't have any kind of printable template for this. I just went ahead and kind of cut it the way I think it should look like. I cut out 4 pieces in 2 different shades, and I am going to go ahead and put them together. And I will first hot glue it in 2 spots just to keep it in place. This felt is stiff felt, so it was a little bit harder to maneuver, but if you have soft felt, that will work perfectly. And then I'm taking this red checkered ribbon, and I am tying it on top of it. This is the only red ribbon that I had, and it was wider, so I cut it in half lengthwise, and it was kind of not peeling off, but it was shedding, let's say, and I can find the real word for it. You see me over here trying to cut out the pieces, but at the end I was successful, and it turned out really beautiful. Now, after I was done with this, I'm going to go ahead and get these mini snow looking beads that are actually from the Dollar Tree. They represent snow, and they're very small, and I am going to hot glue them, a few of them, on my mistletoe. And then that's going to be it for this part. I'm sorry I'm a little bit out of frame, but you see I'm just hot gluing them on my mistletoe. After I was completely done, I attached that on the top of my sign, and that's it for this project. This project was so easy to make, especially that stencil was pre-made. I didn't have to use my cutting machine, and it's perfect for anyone that don't have a cutting machine. I really like the added touch of a felt mistletoe. I think it looks beautiful and it's fun. So I want to hear from you. What do you think? If this is your first time on my channel, if you're just stopping by, I want to welcome you. I'm Jelena. I love doing crafts. I like creating projects, especially for my home, and everything that I make is on a budget. So if that's something that you like to see, I would like for you to stick around, look through my channel. Hopefully you will like it enough to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also look for me on social media. I am on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. I would love to connect with you. On to the project number 2. This wooden plaque came from Walmart, I believe, but I know Dollar Tree has the same ones. They're $1 as well. And first I'm peeling off the sticker, and I took off the little plastic piece as well. Next I'm taking this folk art wood tint. It is actually in a color gray, and I absolutely love it. It is so easy to use. You just apply it with any brush or sponge or anything that you have, and you wait just a little bit, depending how heavy you want it, how dark you want it, and you wipe it off. And now in this case, this wood didn't really take it as dark as I wanted, so I went a few times over and over until I reached the stain color that I wanted. Next, I'm taking these two wooden cutout letters, or actually words, I'm sorry, Merry and Bright. They actually came from Target Dollar Spot. There's a couple of different ones, and they're only $1. These are also peel and stick, so that is so convenient, and they stick pretty well. So I'm sticking Merry on top, or a portion of this plaque, and then a Bright on a bottom portion. And then I'm going to take one of these mini wreaths, also from Target Dollar Spot, and I am going to put it in the middle. I'm just hot gluing it in between Merry and Bright words. After I was done with that, I am taking this, it was a piece of garland from the dollar store, from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it on top. It can represent lights, or it can represent just a garland piece. It doesn't matter. I think it looks super cute with those white mini beads. After I was done with that, I am taking white jute twine that came also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap it a few times on the bottom of my sign, hot gluing the beginning and at the end on the back of the sign. And after that, this project is complete. I didn't want to add anything else. I thought it looked perfect and simple. If you know me and my channel, you know I absolutely love simple projects, and I like for them to have some simplicity in them and look beautiful as well. So again, as always, I would like to hear from you. What do you think about this project, and would you like to recreate it? As always, I would like to remind you to stop by my channel every Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for a new video that I have prepared for you. On to the third and last project. I have these, I think they're a little chalkboard name tags. They came from Target Dollar Spot, but as you can see, again, I bought them in dirt cheap, and they were all 90% off, so I paid 30 cents for it. There's 4 in a package. So I took one of them, and I added some chalk that I got from my kids, and I just put it all over a chalkboard and then wipe it off with my fingers. Now I'm taking these snowballs, they're glittery snowballs from the Dollar Tree, and I am taking this wood snowflake. Now this wood snowflake had a sticky part on the back, but I lost it for some reason, so I realized that really quickly. So I added a hot glue and put it on the back of it and glue it. Now I am using a hot glue and these mini balls, and I am creating two letters. First will be a J and the last one will be Y. I'm just putting them in a row and creating these letters. And this project couldn't be simpler, and I think it's absolutely cute and I love it. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think? I really hope you like this video and my project. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. YouTube likes thumbs up. That shows them that you like this video and it will promote it more. Please share it and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love, love, love to have you. Tell me a few words about yourself. I like to get to know new viewers. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I've decorated everything.